This is Sandy Create the Heart. This is my last video for my big summer sale. This is video number 4. If you're interested in anything, you need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. US only, PayPal only. Okay, so first is this one. This is KX Crafts. It's a note paper die, which I never used it. And then I think these are paper tray ink, but these are like flower dies and anyway. And then here are some other dies. A lot of these are paper tray ink. This one is Scrap Diva, and this gives you an idea of the words that are in here. I think these are DJ Inkers, some of these. This is CC Designs card dies. This is Studio LE2 L2E, which are planner ones. This one is Sassy Stamps. And this one is number 15, and it's $45. And this one is number 16, and it's $40. Right here. I think this makes like a mushroom house. This is a gingerbread house. And that one is number 16, and it's $40. And, all right, this one is 17. Make sure I put 17 on here. This one is 17, and oops, the wrong one. 17, and it is $24. And it has a bunch of frames. Just a bunch of things. There's a couple other little surprises in here. So a bunch of these little wood guys. There's a little Mickey one in here. These are really great for like mini albums putting on the front. Sorry, I gotta like that one. Little mini tags. And then we also have here some trims. Petaloo trims. These are really great for like cotton candy. Bunch of trims, flowers. That's just Pages trims. And then all of these. Okay, and that one is only $24, and it is number 17. number 18 is only $30. I really want to move this one. So it comes with these chipboards, comes with punch, Martha Stewart edge punch, Martha Stewart rocket punch, comes with this distress embossing glaze because I already had it, and then it comes with this Big's die. Then it comes with Maggie Holmes washi, and this is Pebbles. Comes with these essential gems, and this Maggie Holmes, this Hey Pumpkin crepe paper, and comes with these Moody's Cleaning Company. This is Heidi Swap, Prima, Jolie's Boutique, Prima. This is Magnificent Francis trim, Prima trim, Prima flowers, Webster's Pages, Bloomers, full ones, and Prima trim. And this is number 18, and it's $30. Okay. And then last is everything out here. It's kind of heavy, so I had to make sure it fit in my box that I have. Okay, this is a button maker, heavy duty button maker. It makes like 3 different sizes, I guess. And it comes with this punch that came in it. And then here are these covers. You will not get my little tins or whatever, but comes with all of these and all of these blanks. It's a lot of blanks, trust me on that. And these button backs. These blanks, and yeah, so all that. This is number 19. So it's this button maker, the punch, stacks of blanks, and whatever else I've got that go with it, and I'm selling this for $37 shipped. All right, thank you for watching. This is Sand Cream with the Heart.